It's a 2018 Ford F-150. Smart enough and tough enough to stand the test of time, the F-150 is a leader at the job site. Features include V6 engine, electronic shift on the fly, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, AM/FM stereo radio, tailgate assist tailgate, manual tilting steering column, front tow hooks, gas pressurized shocks, and four-wheel drive. The Car Connection explains, make no mistake, every square inch is detailed to cheat the wind to make it easier to extract every possible tenth of a mile per gallon from a classically styled pickup truck. Every generation has its Ford. This one's yours. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.